In this video, I'm going to show you how to send bulk emails in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to open your dashboard, you want to go to the left over here where it says marketing, and you want to click on email. So whenever you're inside the email tab, of course you want to create the email you want to send in bulk. You may already have one, so we can just click on it and edit this, or I'm just going to go and click on create email and hit the regular button to actually create a new one just like that. Then you want to go and of course select any of the templates or start from scratch. If you want to know how to create an email, I do have a separate video teaching you exactly how to do this. So for this one, I'm actually going to just use this announcement template over here and I'm going to click on it. Now from here, the most important part is going to be to select multiple recipients. To do this, you want to go to this button where it says send to on the left, and you can see your audience over here. Of course, you can go and select how you will send this email, and then here you also have the option of subscription type and then who you want to send to. So click on here and you can then go and select all the individual contacts. You can also go and create new segments. You can import a segment if you have it, and then whenever you've done this, I'm going to send to these two people, which are my accounts. There we go. It's going to show you estimated recipients, and you can select if you want to not send to somebody as well down here at the bottom. Now, once you've done this, you're actually ready to bulk send. You can see who you're sending to. It's actually a bulk email, and you can then just go and preview and test it, and then click on review and send. And after you fill in all these things that are missing, you'll be able to basically send a bulk email just like this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.